Ever wonder what happens when your engine starves for fuel, or gets too much of it? It's a fine line, and one little component keeps that balance in check: the fuel pressure regulator valve. Stick around to uncover how this crucial part of your car works and why it's the unsung hero in your engine's performance. By the end of this video, you'll see your engine in a whole new light. So, how does this small, but mighty valve work? Well, it all comes down to pressure, and not just any pressure, but the fuel pressure in your fuel system. If that pressure is too high or too low, your engine's performance will go downhill, fast. Here's the deal. The fuel pressure regulator valve ensures that the fuel pressure is maintained at a constant level that's perfect for optimal engine performance. If the pressure is too high, it risks flooding the engine. Too low, and the engine won't get enough fuel. This valve makes sure the fuel pressure remains steady so that fuel is delivered precisely when and where it's needed. The regulator is typically located near the fuel rail or integrated into the fuel pump assembly. Fuel from the fuel pump enters the regulator, which then ensures it reaches the fuel injectors at the correct pressure. Now, here's the trick. When the pressure is too high, the regulator opens a small valve to allow excess fuel to flow back to the fuel tank via the return line. This is how it prevents fuel from building up in the system. On the flip side, if the pressure is too low, the regulator will close off the return line and allow more fuel to flow into the fuel rail, raising the pressure back to the desired level. The regulator's job is often linked to the vacuum in the intake manifold. As engine load changes, the vacuum pressure shifts, and the fuel pressure regulator adjusts accordingly. Think of it like a responsive feedback loop. More vacuum means higher fuel pressure, less vacuum means lower pressure. Depending on your vehicle, the fuel pressure regulator can be found on or near the fuel rail, typically connected to the fuel line. In some cases, it might even be integrated directly into the fuel pump assembly located inside the gas tank. But no matter where it's tucked away, its mission stays the same: keep the fuel pressure just right. What happens if the fuel pressure regulator valve fails? When this valve fails, the engine can experience poor acceleration, rough idling, or even stalling. Fuel pressure that's too high can flood the engine, while low pressure can lead to hesitation or engine misfires. Can a faulty fuel pressure regulator cause fuel leaks? Yes, a malfunctioning regulator can cause fuel to leak, either from the return line or, in extreme cases, through the regulator itself. This is dangerous and should be addressed immediately. How do you know if the fuel pressure regulator is bad? Symptoms of a bad regulator include poor engine performance, black smoke from the exhaust, or fuel odors. You may also notice your fuel economy dipping or the engine stalling at idle. How do you test the fuel pressure regulator? To test it, you'll need to check the fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge. If the pressure fluctuates too much, or doesn't stabilize within the manufacturer's specified range, you've likely got a bad regulator on your hands. There you have it. The fuel pressure regulator valve might be small, but it's the guardian angel of your car's fuel system. Without it, your engine's performance would be a mess. If you've been ignoring this valve, it might be time to give it the attention it deserves. Don't wait until it's too late. Make sure your fuel system stays in top shape, and keep your ride running smoothly.